Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and how a plant-based diet can transform your digestion like never before. It's no secret that more and more people are becoming interested in taking care of their digestive system, and for a good reason. A vegan diet not only improves digestion but also plays a key role in maintaining a healthy gut. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: common digestive issues that many individuals face. From bloating to irregular bowel movements, these problems can often be linked back to our diet. It's time to take a closer look at how what we eat can either support or hinder our gut health. One of the secrets to a happy gut lies in fiber, plant-based proteins, and probiotics. These powerful nutrients work together to create a thriving gut microbiome, which is essential for proper digestion. By incorporating more of these plant-based goodies into our meals, we can nurture our gut and promote a healthier digestive system. Now, let's talk science. Numerous studies have highlighted the remarkable benefits of a vegan diet in improving digestion and gut health. From reducing inflammation to balancing gut bacteria, the evidence is clear: plant-based eating can work wonders for our digestive system. It's time to embrace the power of plants for a happier tummy. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points we've covered today. Adopting a vegan diet can significantly enhance your digestion and overall gut health. By prioritizing plant-based foods rich in fiber, proteins, and probiotics, you're giving your gut the love and care it deserves. So, why wait? Start making small changes today for a healthier tomorrow. I challenge you to experiment with incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. Whether it's adding an extra serving of veggies to your meals or trying out a new vegan recipe, every little step counts. And don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to better digestion and gut health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.